Hey, what's up, game changers? Welcome to another edition of my weekly live stream. Excuse me. Today, as usual, I'm going to be day trading, and I also want to talk about some of these Chinese power crisis. There's a power crunch in China, and it's been a little bit rough for some of the stocks, and especially some of these. Tesla has been affected because the factories. I'm not sure about the stock actually. Let me look at the stock if Tesla has been affected or not. Not that much. And some of the Apple suppliers have also been affected. And it looks like this is the new policy that President Xi is going with, that common prosperity. And I think, some of the analysts like Nomura, and I think they reduced the growth forecast from 8.2 to 7.7, or 8.7 to 7.2. I think it's 8.2 to 7.7. Well, I have to. And the Goldman Sachs has also cut its growth forecast for Q3 all the way to 0. That's pretty rough right there. And followed by Morgan Stanley. They also see some of the analysts from Morgan Stanley. They also think that if this power crunch is going to affect the productions and for the rest of the year, and they see at least one percentage point cut, at least. So that's what these big hedge funds they think. So, well, I think it's going to be very interesting for the stock market as well. So and right now we know for the past since the beginning of this year that all of these Chinese stocks, all of their EFTs, all of their stocks have been affected. Tencent, Baidu, and all of them. So it's quite interesting, yeah. Well, yesterday I was trading AMD. It was a beautiful trade. I think I got out a little bit too early. Well, if you are wondering what I did on AMD, you can go watch my weekly trades and analysis after. Maybe next Monday or Tuesday, because I'm going to do it tomorrow, and including all of the trades that I do today. So I think that's going to be something I think you might find it useful. So that's that, yeah. And so today, let's look at some of the stocks that I think is going to be very interesting pre-market right here. Alrighty, let's look at the first one. Well, not really Tesla right here per se. Let me adjust my mic. CEI. CEI is quite interesting if you look at it. It's going to open very high, and there's a lot of Twitter activity going on. And the next one, actually, besides the CEI, and I think XLRN, that's something that has a lot of activity as well. So here you go. Let's look at CEI and see what is trading pre-market. I think this is quite interesting. I want to take a look at this. So here you go. It's trading up, as you can see right here. Well, it's sort of consolidating for the past few hours, for the past 3 hours, and then there's this buyer came in just at 9 a.m., about 20 minutes ago, and sort of thinking about maybe, it's trying to make a new high right here. Let me turn off the pre-market data. Again, as you can see right there, there's a 17-ish jump right there. Well, I'm going to do one of these how to trade a gap videos in the future. So basically, obviously, it's very volatile in the beginning, but there's always some signs that tells you where to go. But usually, I get my confirmation after the market opens. And usually for the first 1 or 2 minutes, I don't really do usually, but not always. Just usually, not always. All right, and because I think I still need more confirmation on the stocks that I wanna trade. Sometimes, even if it opens high like that, I think today with the CEI, first of all, now is a short. Let me see. I think it's a short restricted right now. Yes, basically, there's a short sell restriction implemented. They have some of these policies right there. At least that's what it says on my interactive brokers right here. It's a short restricted, so I can really short it. And I don't think I'm going to short this. I don't think I'm going to short this actually. If you look at this, so this, these buyers right here, the volume, well, obviously because this is pre-market or it's pre-market, aftermarket, out of not normal hours. Let me see. Another way they say this is that outside the regular trading hours. Yeah, that's another thing they say. Right here, I see that buyers, they came in. So actually, I wouldn't want to short this. If I'm looking at pre-market activity right here, I wouldn't short this. And I think I do wanna long this. I think there's some opportunities out there for me to long this stock. And the one way is that I'm gonna long some when it opens, or I'm gonna punt it. P-U-N-T, I'm gonna punt it. Punt it means kind of like gambling or guessing, but with an educated guess, with the reasons. That's punting. I might punt a little bit, but I'm not going on full size on this one because I don't see. Well, I'm not sure if this is there's no there hasn't been any proper breakout yet. Another thing is that if it breaks out this 425 right here, you see right here that there's like 425. If you can see that, and basically right here actually shows my this is interactive broker. I have my date right here, time, high, price, low, and this is closing price. So basically the closing price is right here. Let me see if I have this one. This is open. A closing price. As you can see right here, this one, because it doesn't have any wick down there. So the closing price and the lowest price of this candle is the same. It's a 431. So I have these data showing. I have more, but these are the data, and I think that's all I need right here. So today is September 29th. And tomorrow is the last day of the month, and I think September is usually not that good, historically speaking. It's not a good month for stocks. But this is my plan. My plan is that I can either wait, it goes above that 425, to long from there when I see a real confirmation, if it gives me a solid bullish candle. Preferably without wicks. These will be wicks right there. You see that's a long wick, and this is a wick down here, and the bottom wick and the top wick. Preferably gives me like a very bullish candles, goes above 425. But if the volume is right there and it keeps me, even though it doesn't break that 425, if I see volume and if I see consistent bullish candles making a new high, I might still wanna long this even at the open. I'm gonna give you maybe a minute or two, or even I'll see how strong the momentum is. If it breaks that right after it opens, I might just go. I mean. And another strategy is that I can trade on this VWAP. If I see when it comes back to this VWAP, and if it bounces back, I might long this. But if it goes through that VWAP, the direction might change after that. So I have to be really careful. I'm going to play by ear and see the information it gives me when the market opens. So that's that. And right now, another one is XL. XLRM, this one, it's trading down, and obviously, well, this is with the pre-market right there, right? This is all of the pre-market, and yesterday around 3, Jesus Christ, whoa, this is pretty crazy right there. And let's see what's going on. Whoa, what a Jesus, got smashed, 10%, 8%. This is insane. This is absolutely insane. So I'm wondering what happened right there. Do we have any news? XLRN right there. Let me see. Did it release its quarterly neutral target 180? Okay. Piper Sandler downgraded. Okay, Acceleron Pharma to neutral and targets 180. Oh, maybe that's why. So it got downgraded. But this is like a morning news though. This is like 2 minutes ago. So yesterday, I'm not sure what happened. Let me see if they have any news yesterday. Yeah. So there is a support right there. Do I want to long this? Well, I'm not really sure, but it looks like there are still sellers trying to come back in. They're still pushing this down further. So well, pre-market, somebody, the price came up somehow, and it traded down for the past 3 hours or so, less than 3 hours. But these two, yeah, their Twitter activities are pretty high at the moment. So a lot of people are tweeting these two. And another one is Bed Bath and Beyond. Oh, this one is insane. Yeah. I think they have news actually. I was just looking at it, so I can actually read the news. So yeah, the Twitter activity for BBBY, Bed Bath and Beyond, is insanely high. The pre-market activity, you can see that it's pretty crazy right there, obviously. So right here. Let me see. I can read it to you because I was just reading, about like an hour ago. When sometimes you have to do your studies an hour or at least half an hour before the market opens. So I was reading news, and actually, let me read it to you. This is pretty bad right here. It says right here that. Reported fiscal second quarter loss of $73.2 million after reporting a profit in the same period a year earlier. So the Union, New Jersey-based company said it had a loss of 72 cents per share. Earnings, adjusted for one-time gains and costs, came to 4 cents per share. The results fell short of Wall Street expectations. The home goods retailer posted revenue of almost $2 billion in the period, which also missed the street forecast. And there are some analysts surveyed by Zacks expected $2.06. Sorry, my bad. 2.6 billion. 2.06 billion. Yeah, that's what the survey expected. Yeah. So obviously it's trading a little bit higher. I think it closed even lower right now. I think it opened high with the Bed and the Bath Beyond. The Beth, excuse me. That's kind of insane right there. So this one, if you look at these, Jesus Christ, I'm speechless. But I think it opened a little bit higher actually. Let's see. Let me turn off the pre-market data. Whoa, yes. Well, it didn't open high actually. It opened much lower there. It opened even lower. So that's the pre-market activity right there, folks. That's the pre-market activity. Smashed. Completely smashed. This is very sad. This is very, very sad, guys. This is insane. Yeah, let me double check. Wait, today is no. Today is never mind. Today is September 30th. Okay, it opened. Let's see. All right, let's see. CEI. Can I long this? I mean, let's go to my. I want to turn off that. Yeah, because it's a 425, like I said right there. So, like I said, if it gives me healthy, well, the volume is not there right now, so I'm not. I don't think so. You see, you see what I mean? You see what I mean? And I told you that there's like this VWAP right there that I sort of want to trade that VWAP right there. But it's just sometimes, you know, it really depends on what the price action, the volume, and all of that. What I see right here. But maybe I'm going to long when you touch this VWAP. I think there's a possibility right there. I'm gonna try this right there. If it doesn't go, it doesn't go. But I want to go this VWAP right there. Yeah, this VWAP seems nice right there. Yeah, but I'm not sure if it's gonna push back. Yeah, it's still, yeah, you know, well, it's sort of working, guys. You see that? You see my strategy right there? It's working. My strategy right there. You see that? You see what I'm telling? You see that? It's working, and this is engulfing candle right there. I have more confidence now because this bullish candle, but it changes every second, guys. You have to watch this very closely right there. I told you I want to long this on this VWAP right there. This is beautiful right there. This is beautiful. I like this. Yeah, if it doesn't go, it doesn't go. But there's going to be another resistance around 420. So I'm not sure. If it doesn't go, I'm going to get out. Because my strategy is that if it goes, it goes. If it doesn't, it doesn't. If it goes, it goes. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Right there. I don't like this because I see the volume popping up and I see that it's getting rejected. You reject it. Again, you see, I got out with a profit, guys. As you can see right here. Here we go. As you can see right here, I bought at $4.04 right here, and I sold at $4.08. I'm telling you, if it goes. If you are wrong, you are wrong. So it doesn't go right there. It doesn't go. It might go later. You see, there's still resistance right there. Resistance around this VWAP. It might go, but it's too choppy for my taste. So I don't really like what I'm seeing at this moment. But I made a profit on CEI already. Yeah, I don't like this choppiness. It's way too choppy right there. I don't like it. Yeah, because it's not my trade. Next one, let's look at Netflix or Beth. Whoa, Netflix, beautiful. Jesus Christ. Wow, how come I didn't see this one? I didn't see this one. Should I chase it? Should I chase this? Guys, should I chase it? What do you think? I'm sort of, you know, maybe like a smaller size and chase it. The volume is still there, but this wick, I don't like it. The volume is still there. What about the next one? Maybe I should chase it, but the spread is insane. Spread is 40 cents, folks. The spread is 40 cents. That's not something I like. It's really something, not something that I enjoy. I don't like this. And let's see. All right. Yeah. I shouldn't be chasing this. Okay, let's go back to Bed Bath & Beyond. It's just somebody's still trying to push this lower. If it makes the new low, I might. Oh, I don't think I can short this, can I? Should I take a 2%? Should I? Well, it's a short restricted, as it says, but I'm not sure if I can get it. Sometimes you get it, sometimes you don't. That's the thing. Well, if it goes back to the VWAP, I might want to short on the VWAP. You know, this white line right here. I like this white line right here. I might short on the VWAP right there. So that's my strategy. But now, if it makes a new low, I might do it too. But it seems like trading sideways for now. Yeah, and this kind of like trading sideways could go on for hours. Yeah, if it doesn't decide to go. But if it does decide to go, it's gonna go pretty crazy with the volume, of course. That's what I think. Oh, VWAP is coming back. Should I? I should have, actually. Let's see if it goes back to the VWAP right there. I can make it a little bit bigger. And then make my candles a little bit fatter. Actually, I like it thinner. Yeah, still trading sideways, guys. It's not making. Well, the trader activity is pretty high. If he does, it does. If it doesn't, it doesn't. That's the thing. And the volume is getting lower. That's something I don't really like. So. Alright, space just popped up. And Farmy, space is interesting. Wait on, hold on. I like space, but I'm not sure if I should chase it. Okay. Let's do a little bit of space right here. But I don't want to chase, but I do want to have a limit order on space. If it gives me back on the VWAP right there, I'm going to take this trade. So right there. So I'm going to buy on the VWAP. If it comes back on the VWAP, I wanna long this. But I don't want to chase it for now. I do not want to chase it. Okay, so I have my order right there. Let's look at some other ones. It's a FAMI, F-A-M-I. FAMI. You see that VWAP, it goes back up. And there. I would have longed this if it goes back to this VWAP. I would have done it. I would have definitely done it, you know. Guys, for sure, yeah. But right now it's sort of, well, this is one of these, this is, I don't really trade penny stocks. This is like 50 cents. I don't like penny stocks, guys. I don't trade penny stocks at all. So, let's see. If it goes back, well, that's not something I want to, I don't think so. Oh, the VWAP is still pretty nice. Excuse me, guys. The VWAP is still very beautiful. People are still pushing it up. Okay, let's look at AMD right here. Yeah, Whoa, Jesus Christ. Well, yesterday, I shorted AMD the very beginning, guys. Yesterday, I shorted AMD. Let me see. Wow, open high. Thank God I took it off. The aftermarket was not very nice, actually. Yeah, yesterday I shorted from 104, 103 yesterday. Yeah, 103 right here, not a 104, 103, all the way. Wait, this is yesterday, right? This is a Wednesday. No, it was, no, I remember it was 104, 106. So it actually was the day before that. Yeah, 106, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, 106, exactly. I showed the day before. Yesterday, I didn't do anything to AMD. But 106 all the way to 103-ish. That's where I got all of that profit right there. I got like 3%. Yeah, close to 3% the day before that. I showed AMD. I didn't keep it. Actually, it went all the way to like 102. I was a little bit thinking about, 101 right there. So right now, it kind of having this reversal trade. Not reversal trade, I'm having this comeback. I might want to long this. I might want to long this on this VWAP again. Yeah, since people, they're coming back in, right? We got a lot of buyers coming back in. So this is going to be very interesting. And I think this is where opportunities, this is where I see my opportunities. Oh, here we go. I got in my space right here. You see that? My long right there. I got triggered. My limit order right there. Somebody smacked this. You see that? This limit order is beautiful. It's okay. If I'm taking a little bit loss, that's okay. It's because I have my stop all the way here. Even though I can average down all the way back here, I'm going to average down all the way back here if he comes back here. So let me see if he's gonna smack me down. I am going to average down right here. If I see, I'm gonna give it some time to see that. Yeah, just just right on that low wick right there. If it comes all the way back down, I'm going to average down. I still want a long space. Space had good news. I was also reading the news. Actually, Wednesday, the Federal Aviation Administration has cleared it to resume launches after an investigation into why its spaceship veered off course while descending during a July flight with founder Richard Branson aboard. The company said it was advertised by the FAA that corrective actions proposed by the Space Virgin Galactic and have been accepted. That's the news, and it was up actually 9% or something. Yeah, that's my plan. Yeah, if it doesn't get the other half, that's okay. Less risk because I like the volume right now. You see that, guys? You see that? You see what I'm doing right here? I told you, trade on that VWAP twice today. If it doesn't go, if I get rejected, I am out again. If I get rejected, I am out again. But if it goes, I'm going to let it go, okay? But if I get rejected, that means my view was wrong. So it means, you see the wick right here, okay? Let me go with 1 minute view right here. You see that? Here, bearish candles got rejected. Now the plan is that it's supposed to rally all the way to the moon. That's the plan. If it goes above that, I might add more, but not at this moment though, because I'm still not sure the direction. Guys, did you see what I did right there? Did you see what I did right there? That's a beautiful trade right there. You see that? Yeah, it goes in. It just keeps on rallying right there. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more because it confirmed my direction. I'm gonna add a little bit more, and the volume is nice. There's no reason not to add a little bit more. You know what I mean? And right now, I'm not going to lose money. If it comes back, I'm going to get out as soon as possible. My plan is that I'm not going to lose money because I added more. But if it comes back, I'm going to get out. I'm going to be even tighter on this one. Yeah, it's not supposed to reject my bullish candle right here. It's supposed to rally. But if it doesn't, that means my view was wrong and I'm going to get out. Buyers still came back in. I'm not going to lose money on this trade, guys, because I'm in the money already nicely, and I added a little bit more. And if it doesn't make that new high, it means the momentum is sort of gone. The volume is still there. It's supposed to go higher. But that means there are sellers right there. I don't want to lose money on this one. I do not want to. Yeah, these candles, I don't feel comfortable. It's supposed to give me at least 1 or 2 more candles to go upside. Now it's not making a new high right there. What about the next one right there? Yeah, 1 is enough. What I'm afraid is that I'm going to get smacked. That's what I'm afraid. I'm going to get smacked by one of these bearish candles. I could have given myself more room had I not added more, but right now, no. Now it's not making a new high. Probably that means, because if I want to go, I want to go immediately. But like I said, I don't want to lose money on this because I added some size to it, and with these, you see, with these volume bars and these 2 candlesticks, it's supposed to rally. It's supposed to rally right there. But if it doesn't, it doesn't. It means it's not my trade, yeah. Because I don't want to take that risk. It might still go later. It's sort of forming this flag. A little bit too late. Yeah. Sort of got chickened out. Wow, it went. Now it's going. Now it's going. Yeah. But it's sort of like, it's sort of not breaking this 25 right there. Well, it's okay, Well, that's what I do, though. I am a momentum trader for this one, right? And I'm not investing in any of these stocks. I'm trying to find momentum. I'm trying to find these bullish green candles with these beautiful volume right there. It didn't go. So I could have waited. I could have reduced my sizes. Actually, that's another way to do it. But I decided to let it go because because these two, they're very they're confirmations for sure. The volume getting higher, candles getting bullish. If it doesn't go, I don't think it's gonna go. Now let's look at CEI again. Let's check out CEI. What did I do? Okay, I longed the CEI. Here you go. Yeah, and I got out, of course, because I forgot the reason. Well, I forgot why I got out, but just didn't go as I planned. It was a 1 minute trade. Sometimes I have very quick trades, and you can see that the CEI right there. It was a good decision right there. From a $4.08, now it's a $3.96. So that's kind of sad right there, isn't it? Okay, Lucid is something interesting. It just popped up, and that penny stock. It's Jesus. Wow, the penny stock is insane. Has insane volume right there. Okay, Lucid has been trading down. And let me see. I'm also looking at its weekly charts. Weekly charts that is sort of breaking that. Actually, wow, Lucid. This is a very interesting short right there. I sort of want to short it, but I don't want to chase that. Even though I do have my basically this is my crossover. The way I set it up, the way I set it up is that if I have a 9 EMA goes below 21 EMA, I would have this red arrow pointing down across, and vice versa. If I have my 9 EMA goes above my 21 EMA, and I have this green cross, I have this green up arrow. I do want to short Lucid though. My mentor actually told me that he only trades like 5 or 10% of his trades, and 90% of the trades he does in his head. This is the one that I told you that I sort of want to short it, but I didn't do it. It just, I don't know. It's sort of, the volume actually seems kind of nice, right? I should short this, but sometimes I don't know why. Sometimes, you have this gut feeling that you might be chasing the wrong thing. Well, that's why you can have different sizes, you know what I mean? Excuse me. Yeah, so with all of these different noises everywhere, that I think I did pretty well today, guys, right here. CEI, here we go. I bought at 404. I got out at 408, and it was the wrong direction. Was the wrong direction right there. This kind of is pretty interesting. With the space. Oh yeah, now it's going, but it's not really going. Okay, 2456 right there. You're sort of forming this flag, guys. You see that flag right there? Do you see that flag right there? The flag pattern. You see, there's a flag pattern right there. Sort of still, if it comes back, maybe I want to go back in. Yeah, if it comes back to this VWAP right there, I might want to go back in and see that if I can get more out of this. Let me see. Yeah, I think the price that I averaged in wasn't really good. Well, actually, eventually it went. Eventually, I was right, but maybe I shouldn't have averaged down, right? Right there, and just let it run a little bit more confident, have more buffer, have more profits, and average down like a little bit after. But it sort of is having that problem breaking that 25. Now it's breaking that. Yeah, I was right, but well, it's sort of it happens. It does. You just have to give it a little bit more time. It seems like there's a seller there. It seems like there is a seller trying to push it down or taking profits. Excuse me. Yeah, okay, now let's look at CEI again. Not a very interesting. Okay. Whoa, remember I told you. Yeah. I told you I wanted to short more Bed Bath & Beyond, but I didn't want to short it. Whoa, right here. Actually, yeah, this is the thing. You see that? Yeah, I would have shorted if it barely touches that and it keeps some and it goes back down. That's when I would have shorted it. But actually, it broke through that VWAP, so sort of means that the direction has changed. But I don't want to long this at the moment, even though the volume seems pretty insane. But I don't have any directions. There are 2 trades so far. MRK. Yeah, Merck and Co. Incorporated. Oh, this is beautiful right there. Wow. Whoa, how much is that? Oh, wow. I want to long this, guys. I want to chase it actually. And the spread is only 2 cents. The spread is only 2 cents. I sort of want to chase it. Is it coming back to give me a little bit better price? Well, buyers can't wait to push this higher, guys. Okay, I'm gonna get in. Whoa, that's a horrible price that I got in. What is the price I got in? Oh, it's way up there. Horrible price. Whoa. 96.48. Okay, sure. 96.48 right there. Sure. Okay. Just paying some commissions right now. Let's see. Okay, so this is my I'm pretty confident on this one. I'm gonna give myself a little bit more room on this stock right there. I'm gonna give it all the way to VWAP. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, I'm going because it's a small size, and I wanna give myself a little bit more room right there. So that will be 1%. And what about 80 bips? What about 80 bips? Okay, a little bit too much. Let's try 65 bips. I just want the back all the way down to this VWAP right there. I think 65 bips. That sounds pretty reasonable. Yeah, this will be one of these long trades because I'm looking at its weekly view. It's making a new high. 1, 2, 3. Today's the 3rd day. It's making a new high. Yesterday it opened at the later session that is sort of had a pullback, a huge pullback. I'm looking at the weekly view. So let's see if I make money on this one. MRK. Excuse me. Yeah, let's see. Let's see what's gonna happen right there, all right? And now, by the way, it's kind of quiet today, guys. If you have any questions, you can say something. All right. I don't have a lot of people watching me. I know that, but if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'd be more than happy to answer all of your questions. Trading related, investing related, and all of that. Obviously, I'm focusing on trading, but when I'm doing my live, when I trade live, especially Thursday, my size is actually a little bit smaller, just because that I might get distracted. But today, I'm absolutely in the money right here. Oh, I see why. Oh, I see why. Because you can't see my trades right here. So I'm going to make this a little bit lower there, I guess. So, you still can't see it. The trades that are right here. You can see that all the trades are there. Some of them, yeah. Oh, I see. You cannot see all of it, but that's okay. Okay, I should have, yeah, because this is my intention though. This is really my intention, because I do intend to do this. Hold on. I do intend to show all of my, yeah, here we go. It's much better. This is better. Yeah, it's a little bit cut off. Time, instruments, action, and the price. Okay, it's a little bit cut off, but just bear with me. All right, it's a little bit cut right there. Maybe sometimes IB has pretty strict. I don't know how to fine tune IB so it doesn't snap. Yeah, right here. Okay, what about here? A little bit too much. So it doesn't really show that. It just snaps to that big one right there. It snaps to it. So I guess this is the optimal. Yeah, that's okay. This is still fine right there. Yeah. Alrighty, let's see. Space is still grinding up. Yep, If I had kept it, I would have made more money. But I didn't like this. I told you this is the, like, you know, this flag, this triangle, this flag right there. It's forming these flags. It might have a better breakout later. Okay, MRK is not making money. It's just flat. But I'm still okay with my decisions. Now let's look at Beth. Okay, boring. SLV. Boring. Space. Still a little bit boring. Okay, let's look at. Okay. Still nothing going on. Yeah, this is the penny stock I was talking about earlier. It's not doing much. But don't underestimate penny stocks. They're moving insane. The swings of penny stocks are insane. So, okay, what about? Yeah, that's okay. If it's a losing trade, it's a losing trade. I have some buffer, but I just like the setup though. It's sort of like coming back to its VWAP. That would suck if I got taken out on VWAP. That would definitely suck right there. It's sort of coming back. Should I close it? Since it's not going as I planned it to be. It was supposed to go immediately. Isn't that right? Alright, Ford. Okay. AMD. Whoa, yeah, I wanted along this. Wow, I think I said that. I think I said I wanted. Oh god. Oh, that's why, you know, you have these alerts, but they're gonna be way too long. I should have put like, oh god, I should have put a limit order on the VWAP right there. You see, guys, you know, that's why, you know, you see my how clean my chart is. And right there on VWAP that I could have, this would be the third trade of the day that I'm going to trade on VWAP and long AMD. Oh, I didn't get it. I said this. I said I was going to trade on VWAP. Unfortunately, didn't get it. Oh, sucks. Excuse me. Bed Bath and Beyond again. Is it supposed to come back? Space. SoFi. Boring. It's pretty boring right there. If you're wondering why I look to right or to the left, because I have two computers right here, and to my left, actually, I monitor the chat and stuff, just to make sure that sometimes people they're asking. Today is extremely quiet, but that's fine. I'm sure you guys are listening contently. That's that, yeah. So this is this one. Well, maybe I want to long this. Maybe XLP. Boring. There's nothing going on. SLV. MRKM still losing a little bit. It's coming back. If it takes me out on the VWAP, it takes me out. It's a very small position. Super small, guys. So don't worry about it. Yeah. The super small right there. Microsoft. Let's see. Okay. Okay, DLTR is another one. It's very, very volatile. I traded this one. I longed this yesterday, I think. I didn't capture the whole thing, but I captured some of it. Yeah, so. This one. Alrighty. Okay. KMX, boring. KSS, nothing going on. Oh, ARK. ARK is right here. Okay, ARK is, whoa, trading sideways. I think Kathy Wood dumped all of her Tesla stock, if I remember. Yeah. So that's that. So, hey, you're the first one, startups. So yeah, so that's I think Kathy Wood dumped all of her Tesla stocks, but I don't think I don't think bulls, not bears. I don't think all of you bulls should worry about it. So yeah, so that's that one. Yeah, I'm still in the money. Don't worry about it, guys. But yeah, I'm out right here. Here we go. Yeah, right there. Huge, very, very small. Just like testing the water. I'm still in the money today, guys. Don't worry about it. You know, space and CEI is still good. Yeah, they're still very good right there. Alrighty, let's see. Okay, let me see what other stocks we have right here. I think startups is Kathy Wood enthusiast. He or she likes Kathy Wood very much. Right here, people started selling it. Palt. Oh, that's an interesting halt right there. It's a very interesting halt. It would have been ugly. I would have longed this at the halt had I noticed. I would have longed this had I noticed. Had I noticed that there was a halt. Huh. Well, I didn't. That's that. Yeah. So it's quite sad that I didn't capture this one. Very unfortunate, but you know, sometimes that's life. Okay. Now let's see. Let's look at the next one. Let's look at space. Ooh, it's going. Yeah, space is still going, right? Whoa, this is one of my winning trades, but actually I let it go. Wow, I should have given myself more room. I shouldn't have added this. And the size was a little bit too big. Well, the problem is that the size was a little bit bigger. So I don't want to lose. You know, yeah. It went eventually. It didn't go as I planned, but it went eventually. Yeah, so that's very unfortunate. That'll be another 25 cents on a big size, actually. Yeah, I should have gone back right here when I was trying to touch that VWAP right there. Yeah, I don't know, but it's yours. If it's not yours, it's not yours. Let me see what else. AMD, FAMI, Pelt, SCI, Space. AMD right there. The second time on VWAP right there. The second time on VWAP. I missed it again. But this one, it's less attractive to me. Why? The reason is because the previous candle, especially this one, it didn't make a new high. If it goes like this, pulls back a little bit, goes higher, pulls back a little bit, and the VWAP keeps on, going up, that's more interesting. That's something what I like more. Not this one, you know what I mean? Not the current setup. That's not something I like. So I wouldn't have taken the trade either. So, alrighty. Space. Yep. Oh, 25.60. Very close. I was saying that 25.25 was trying to break the... Yeah, obviously, you see that? This would be a place to get out and then maybe to reload right here. Because that 25.25, that 25.50 something. Somebody took the profit right there. Obviously, yeah, because they knew that they would sell it there and they didn't want to stick around. And they just let the stock come back a little bit with a new momentum. More buyers. They come in and push it higher. More than 25.50, yeah, which is seems like the what do you call that? The ceiling right there. Yeah, that's a very interesting one right there. Yep. Wow, 25.76. Very unfortunate, guys. Very unfortunate. Pretty sad about this trade right there. Well, last time I think I got burned though. Well, it's the beauty of trade, right? Sometimes you get it right, sometimes you get it wrong. Sometimes the same setup, exactly the same setup, but you still get it wrong. What can you do? You can't do anything about it. You just take the loss. That's the thing. Yeah. Well, don't make your small loss into big losses. That would be dire. That would be very unfortunate. That would be super unfortunate right there. It's making a new low TNT. Okay, AT&T T. AT&T as T as AT&T right there. Yeah, the thing is that I don't like the volume though. KSS short. KSS short sell restricted. I remember somebody told me once, don't trade this one. I don't see why. It seems still pretty smooth, doesn't it? That's kind of interesting. This is really, really interesting. All right, let me see. When I'm trading, I'm always looking at volume stakes, and I'm also looking at my scanner right there. In the future, I will show you my scanner as well. But these are the trades I did today. If you want to take a look at it, the last trade is MRK right there. Didn't work. Small loss. Space, huge size. Added more. Did not want to lose money. Got out too quickly. Right now it's 25 something already. 25.70, 25.80. That's quite sad right there. Yeah, 25.60. Okay, DLTR. Let's look at DLTR again. Let's see if it goes. I still want to short this. Should I short it? Did it get rejected? No, it hasn't got rejected hasn't got rejected yet. Because I do wanna short this. But with a confirmation, with a real breakout, I do want to short this. But not at the moment. Even the volume right here. This is good volume right there. You see that? The red volume right there. Bears are taking control. And the more volume, but only maintain for 3 minutes. So that's not enough for me. And plus, it doesn't have that shaven candle. I forgot the proper name. Basically, a candle without hair, without wigs, without upper wig or without lower wig. Yeah, I need to see something like that. Means it's really bearish at the moment. But nope, it's not there. All right, now let's look at space again. Yes, see that it's still forming that flag. It's still forming that flag right there. Still forming that flag right there. KMX, nothing going on. Okay. MRK. Whoa, this presents an opportunity to short. But what if it's a fake breakup? It seems like it's still going. I think I'm getting a lot better with my mic skills, guys. So because I noticed some of my videos or some of my live streams or even my videos, I'm not speaking closely to the mic. So therefore, sometimes there's a volume drop. Well, I don't want to long this. Do you know why? Because if I long, this is the reason. Okay. You know, it might make a profit, but the reason is that it's going to have this resistance around, like 40 bips or so. So that's a little bit crazy to me. I'm not sure if I should take a short position. It seems like it's coming back up. Let's see. Alrighty. Okay, let me see. We have something new right here. Huh. Let's see. Oops. This is space again. $26. Whoa! You see that? I was right. I was right, but I was a little bit too early, or too greedy a little bit. You have to be greedy, but you just have to be greedy at the right times. Yeah, not this time. Well, but I think it was still a good trade. The volume, bullish candles. You gotta go. Excuse me, my voice. Yeah, the volume and the candles. Great indications. Have to go. Just have to have more confidence. Yeah, maybe not add. Maybe you shouldn't have added more, but I should have definitely let it run. Unfortunately, it's not there anymore. SPY. Let's look at SPY. Whoa, what a roller coaster right there. It's not doing anything right there. A roller coaster. I'm not sure about you guys. I'm not sure if you know that talking is pretty tiring, but this is pretty fun for me, and I've actually really enjoyed this. But like I said, because when I day trade, my sizes they are a little bit smaller because I just want to get used to it, and that's why I'm having a lot of fun, just like trading with you and telling you my reasons. Yeah. So right here today, I had 2 winning trades and 1 losing trade. Today I have. And the MRK that's the losing trade, space, and the CEI, these are my winning trades. I think they're pretty solid right there. I really like the way I traded today. So it's pretty cool. All right, there's no direction right there. Yeah, sometimes today I don't see a lot of opportunities right there actually, for me to actually to really hunt it. It's not really there. XLP right there. I think I should do it, because the weekly shows me there's a lot more room that you could go down more and more. Another way is that to wait until it goes back to that VWAP, because it had a fake breakout VWAP right there, and somebody shorted it there. Lucky then. I would have done the same had I seen it. But sometimes you only have a limited room for your scanner, so I can monitor about 10 at any given time. So I cannot really see some. Yeah, if the volume is lower with this one, XLP, if the volume is too low, it wouldn't show up on my scanner, because I'm a momentum trader. I follow the trend and I follow where the volume is. If you give me volume, I'm a momentum trader. I like that. Yeah. So, and if it doesn't go, I get out. Sometimes I'm right, sometimes I'm wrong. And if I'm wrong, and I saved myself a lot of money and making a small profit. If I'm right, I'm making more, I guess. Pout is another one. Space. You see, it's not making a new low. That would be a problem there. Yeah. So yeah, guys. I think I'm gonna trade a little bit more. I don't have any positions with me right now. I think. Let me see. I think I closed all of them. Closed and covered all of my positions. Whoa, it's still going, right? Huh. This is crazy. It's still making this new low, even though it get rejected. But that's not really true. That's not really rejection. Yep, that's just a little bit different, guys. Yeah. So here we go. Space CEI, great win, and the MRK. Small loss, a very small loss, and still, I'm in the green. Very good. Not too much today, but still in the green. VXX. This one goes against the V1, I guess. Is it? iPad shares, B S&P 500 VIX. Okay, I see. So that's it's absolutely something like this. All right, so now let me see if there's something more interesting right there. Still DLT, but it's making a new low. Should I? I'm gonna go. Yeah, but I'm going to end the video right now. But I'm going to short this one, and I think I like it. I really like it. I really like it. Yeah, and it has room. So with this one, I'm going to trade more. But when I say goodbye to you guys, I wanna have a trading stop right there. So give me a trading stop, please. Trading stop. Let's make it higher. Let's see, 1.2. Yeah, I want 1.2. 1.2%, actually a little bit above that. Yeah, let's have a trading stop, and it's DLTR. DLTR is very, very popular. It's widely talked about. The credit, the Twitter score is really high. So there are a lot of people talking about this on Twitter. So that's that. I'm gonna let it run and see how it goes, and I might seek more, guys. Yeah. So, all right. So let me go back to my what do you call that? The other screen right there. So here we go. Yeah. So, all right. So guys, yeah, you guys saw that my VWAP strategy today, it worked. It worked twice, actually 3 times if you count AMD twice. I didn't trade, but a VWAP is a great tool and it's a great way to day trade, and I like it, especially if it comes with the volume. Obviously, in the beginning, I had my reasons, and I told you that if it doesn't go, it doesn't go. I have a very strict rule. Sometimes I break them, but it's bad. Emotions sometimes they get in the way. But that's it for today. Okay, so if you are interested in how these trades are going to be later in the future, come to my hold on, let me see. Oh yeah, no, yeah, I thought it's making money. Come to my live stream, and every Thursday I start 15 minutes before the market, and I talk about some like recent events and this and that, and then I'll be talking about pre-market ideas and what stocks I'll be trading, and you guys can trade with me, or you can get names and trade it yourself. Yeah, everything works. That's just how this format is. And also I also have this weekly analysis. I talk about all of my trades. Yeah, this channel is this channel focuses on trades and investment a lot. Right now, a lot of trades, and I also have a lot of like recent events, how they are going to affect the market. Go watch these. All right. So that's it. Thank you guys very much. And this is Grant. Trade and invest responsibly. Always don't trade with the money that you don't have, and always get a financial advisor, and to invest wisely, basically. All right, see you guys. Oh my God.